Hello everyone, this is Murugavel from Atribs. I recently attended the Additive manufacturing training session and it was an incredibly enriching experience. The course provided a comprehensive overview of 3D printing technologies, materials and design principles. The trainer was knowledgeable, engaging and made complex topics easy to understand. What I appreciated the most was the hands-on approach to learning. We had the opportunity to work parallelly with the Wipro 3D printers and see the practical application of the concepts discussed. The training covered both theoretical aspects and the real-world applications, which helped understand how additive manufacturing can revolutionize various industries. Overall, the session was well structured and I left with a solid foundation in additive manufacturing, equipped with the skills to apply these concepts in my own projects. I highly recommended this training program for anyone looking to deepen their knowledge in this cutting-edge field of emerging technologies. Thank you.